guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
You too cry. Me, I can't follow you do saga. You too cry. No, please. Have you ever?
If I see say you do us mass, I come to like you. In your ma woo. Ela ma koko many ya wo kwere our war.
No, be anu.
When tama we na. So when we je, I got feel when we you have like how no, there are people that like you naturally. There are people that like you naturally. Masa na, le vote yaro. Le vote yaro. Le vote yaro. Yeah, Becky say me not get well for us. Eh? A woman ya zebo mawe. A woman ya zebo mawe. We be a wo we.
Man, I call it to English. Oh. Man, I call it to English when don't preach wife spoke. This all I spoke is spoke. I bet make una invite man, I call it to English. When the priest wife spoke, this one don't be speak, he spoke. This is why you like you want to call it to English. Una go laugh, tire. Oh yeah, make una listen.
The make na kiri ya ebo na zebo se me. Ona zebo se me, make na kiri ebo. You say?
She has come here before.
She has not come here before na.
He has come here before. I wanna go to English. Oh, he never. Oh yes, another book, baby. Una ya English. He never. Aya. May I check him? Now 46. He started to speak the English. Man, I can't see English. Hey. Aya. Wait.
She said I don't have wife at home, this is that. We say I don't have wife at home. All of them say my wife is not beautiful. The day when you go call social media, all of them will hey. You say what?
I can't because of those two.
They are not hearing you. Talk loud now.
I can't because of puppies to come on live on social media because I don't have time for rubbish.
Why no, Hameta? Yeah, I see.
Well, I hear English. But the one is small. May not too far. Wait. No, the one is small. After. Oh. And I when I did the jack baby on Facebook, me say about Jen, lovely they laugh. Oh yeah.
Mama Evie. Evie of everybody. Evie to the world. Evie when you want to very bonus. We are this ebony.
Don't praise you. They come down my English. So now even people I feel talk people when you go feel follows. You know, lovely they always talk word. When lovely spoke and it comes to pass. I'm not a just talkative. I just want to talk. Let me talk. I said that any woman that go out with this person, you will know that that woman is a sacked illiterate. Look at English that somebody just speak. All the name that Don Priest want to do saga. Don Priest, I bet not carry that woman come out again. What's that? Do you call that English? Are you serious? Well, oh my God. Let me just push it a little bit. Wait. 41. 41. Let me push a little bit. You know, so if they say maybe they push on sometimes, it will come overpass. Becky, if you try pass that your woman.
What's on that the princess, man? I think
that place, that English, we must speak this English today. Oh my God! Opa, wait. Oh, this for in your way, ye. Again, not a yona one, again, ni. He said the woman that speak English. Oh, Koroputa. In Jesus Christ. Are you serious? Come back here. Where you going? Oh my God. Whew. I bet sister, why you something now? What? Obu, well, I don't regbe unu. So, the priest follow person when not even know anything their house. Now that one on they made don't priest say they speak English. Hey, illiteracy is a disease. I asked this little boy, I said, go back to school. You just need a little bit of education to help you in future. If you can sit with such illiterates, and another such illiterates, now they teach you pidgin English, when not even correct self. You the reason I say now good English. Now that woman they teach you. You are a fool. Are you guys serious? Jesus Christ, yeah. Be like say now English now will do this saga. Oh, make I come help now. Where was Shamon?
What's on that?
That particular place, I bet we not see who go cut on. I will call one person and may me cut on. Oh, no, we're working at that time.
Like 2 to 3 now. Yeah.
Yes. Tired.
Yes.
I said these people, they go with people they can intimidate. Look at an illiterate person that is intimidating this the priest with English. The priest think that her wife speak good English. Did you guys listen to that English? Seriously? Oh my God. Oh, seriously? Go.
The one way even you buy so. Think about princess native buy. Even tell me that the way come back from Nigeria. 100 by 100 way buy way you want. Even the one way it did. The priest. It did. The priest. It did. The priest. It did. It did. The priest. Exinue.
And then they blow music.
Hello, come on, buddy. The Chris. Men are not they desperate. I don't invest for that. I go they fight for marriage.
Facebook people, please, can you guys help me? These people are killing me with pidgin English. Where is about good English? Don't priest said that his wife speak good English. The one his wife spoke yesterday. It was terrible. Oh my God, what's this? You people should go back to school. You guys are aching my ears. My ear don't listen to that English anymore.
As they said they want to marry me before they marry that one. I say, yeah, I'm gonna go. No, I'm not that desperate. I live my life.
Patient,
I want to be happy. I want my children to make them see me happy. You know, see my mouth.
Now this one, that woman is saying, hey, wait. Seriously? Don't prince. You are just an, what will I call you? You are just a non-entity. A moron. Oh yeah, bye. My love. Well, I don't English in English. The priest say wife they speak English. Jesus Christ, yesterday I the row for inside this the food when I chop all of them come out from my body. Woto. Jesus, do you guys listen to that English yesterday? I said it. I the last time I do video against this guy, I said to this guy, the people that you pregnant, all those girls that you got pregnant with them, I said they are the same category with you. The same category. You know the English? Big English, man. That was so barbaric. The English is not acceptable. I am just going I am going. The English is killing me slowly. Mo listen, my people. Mo call listen to the priest. Yes, I work here. Oh, man, that no come out again. No come disgrace us. Sister, if you see this thing, now maybe the barrister law. Wait, their Facebook. Please don't come and disgrace us. Please get inside. What do you say? Repeat. Can you come again? Can you come again? Oh, good evening, Gbafuwarene. Oh, you are shadowing Gbaunu in Facebook. Oh, other the priest Mudang Barre or Yoko and no, oh, we are Baba Mie Bono Zeli. Oh, Jonathan, you be a Jonoki. Oh, may you make a push or have a mother push here, only English you push, only English you can't start. The English not start again. I think this is 41 minutes. I think you guys, you have to just patient with me. It's going to take 6 minutes before you get to that English. Let's
see me happy. You know, they see my mouth, they cry every day. More you married on the occasion, or marriage, you getting married. Well, when I married, and they crazy. Marriage in the way with Napoleon. They were, I can't get the priest when you be vagun. Because when he with your marriage, you had 3 days without marriage, you be vagun. The be vagun. 3 days without marriage. Bachelor Steve, well, no, Bachelor Steve. They will live a Bachelor Steve. Well, Bachelor Steve, one day, don't time of my new lake. Hello? Don't time of my new live a Bachelor Steve, you will make it. Don't time of my we are living with the priest. Sorry, you're on school. Go, you're cleaning with towel.
We have
me. I did.
That's some
cleaning with towel, my love. I did the way Saga. A bachelor's evil way. All right, marriage 3 days. Yeah, so all you guys 3 days marriage. A bachelor's eve. Yeah, no, we never call it bad marriage. 3 days marriage. It was 3 days. No, when Nigerian.
Oh yeah, but when people on English, when did they be where? Just sit down for ground. Don't travel to in case you are shanty. No, don't go boy. Where am I, bo? Hell, DJ, I am managing. I will cultural dance and I'm on a DJ 20,000 we move marriage in Nigeria. DJ 10,000. Because always 20,000, 40,000 for year better music. I get everything of the priest. Hello. The priest had to let the Becky with Saga. So I will go on so my year. Why am I making another no bama? I want to show my year. What do you do about me? He said my baby papa go marry for Nigeria 40. The woman will marry. Woman when my baby papa marry, even though we know they play, like we know they play. Again, you are walking where a meeting a beauty may come when a beauty gay in your salon. Night dresser. May you do the bar where I've been any. I beg you, I will the bay. It's a guy you when your dog go the priest. My role, my cool, or me a dead by all now. I did not. You had a beauty boy for well, a beauty for a beauty as a 45. There we Saga. Every year there is a 40. Every year is about 41 years now. Be 40. Think 40 years now. I did you know who were me? Where dear? Oh no, where Jay? Don't Prissy, we said 36 years in there. Well, you the time ago. Don't Prissy. We may wear 214. I bet 214 we marriage abi. No. Who me ya? Why marriage you again? You women, me again. 214 dealing. 215, 216. 217 ya. 217 ya we marriage. Oh no, 218. 218 ya we marriage when no zu aragbon 218. 218 217 ya we marriage on me. Marriage ni mega aje. We na don't go live marriage. It's so boom marriage. Why the marriage? Don't please everyone wave it. Everyone wave it.
Be saying sometimes wherever that case Saga we no do not when we are Wahala the same clothes. But we know that we the same clothes apart from Wahala we birthday. Temata. You and mama know that they wear the same clothes.
Don't please marriage ni we the same. Don't please post them a nyanwa wo ko ni iro. A picture marriage we. Don't please post them.
Please, if una they do anything, please just take attention. Your attention is needed here. Pay attention to this English. When Don Mumu say, I don't want to call him Don Mumu. When Don Prince say his wife speak yesterday, that woman is a terrible person. So now that English now, oh, do mumu, you too mumu. Yeah, let's go a bit small. Let me shut up.
Remember video ni no ya digwe uwe sumo ho numu. Yo no ye na yeah, I can have video no ye we na ho ni. Get we go video call. It be like that ho. I no want me caution from home. Don't please go mele we saga live video wa so. You too cry oh. Me I can follow you do saga. You too cry don't please. Have you agbe?
If I see say you do us mass, I can't go like you. In your ma woo. Ela me ma koko meni ya wo kwere awa wo.
No bianu.
We tama we na. So when we je, I got feel when me be you have like how we. No, there are people that like you naturally. There are people that like you naturally. Masa na, we vote you aro. You vote you aro. We vote you aro. Yeah, Becky say me not get well for us. A woman ya zebo mawe. A woman ya zebo mawe. We be awo we. The make na ke me ya ebo na zebo se me. On zebo se me. The make na ke ebo. You say?
She has come here before.
She has not come here before now, but she said.
You have come here before. My people, is that English? He has come here before. Now English be that one, my people. Hey, he has come here before. Now English be that one, my people. He has come here before. May we play again.
Don't have wife at home, this is that. If we say I don't have wife at home, all of them say my wife is not beautiful. The day when you will call social media, all of them they will hey.
Because of them to come here because they are useless people.
You say what?
I can't because of those two.
They are not hearing. Talk loud now.
I cannot because of them to come social media. I think come to are you what's that? Only about one oh my as I were that bare yeah not just come out. What kind of English is this? What are you saying? Are you kidding? I should be to my house before. That's the correct English. I should be here before. Are you serious? You call that English? Oh my God, I really talk and say the people that these people go out with, they are the same people with them. When I talk, my talk always come to pass. I said, who is the real normal woman that will get married to this swam? A swam of a son of nobody. A son of a native doctor. Son of a native doctor. Are you kidding? Are you serious? You call this English? Man, I don't let me go and speak my American English, oh. I know they want to speak English. Oh, yeah? Move, shift and small. Wait, that area, they suit me well. If you say, yeah, shift and small. Oh, yeah?
20,000 views. Hello? The priest, what matter? What matter?
Give me only 20 share. Give me only 20. Give me only 20. Give me only 20 share. Give me only 20 share. Only give me only 20 share.
Oh, this.
You better go now. Three days where we married.
No, now listen.
Bachelor CV, where we know bachelor CV. We don't live bachelor CV. Well, bachelor CV. Well, bachelor CV. The priest you be wagon. The priest you be wagon. When you we didn't marry you, 3 days where we married you be wagon. 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 3 days where we married you. Bachelor CV, where we know bachelor CV. We don't live bachelor CV. Well, bachelor CV where one day. Don't time I
want to go to that place.
Hello.
Back again. Wait.
Don't time I go and leave bachelor's if you will make it. Time I go and leave. Time I go and leave bachelor's if. Time I go and leave bachelor's if you will make it.
You know the problem?
Don't time I go.
Do you guys know the problem I have with this phone? This part of this phone is not working. It takes a lot of time to to work. This side is good, this side is not good. I have problem with this side. Let me just turn it like this, okay? Because that particular place where you now, wait, no, you don't pass 55 again. We're batting video. Now we go teach you how they do video. It's English. Now wow. Wait, check.
Okay, this one head not correct.
Who be this one again?
This one head.
It be like that. I know what me come from for. The priest I go mele the way we saga live video. I saw you too cry. Oh. Me I can follow you do saga. You too cry, the priest. Have you
English.
If I see say you do us mass, I can't go to like you. In your ma woo. Ela me mako komeni ya wo kwere our war.
No, be a look.
When tama we na. So when we je, I got feel when me be you have like our no, there are people that like you naturally. There are people that like you naturally. Masa na, we vote ya ro. You vote ya ro. We vote ya ro. Yeah, Becky say me not get well for us. A woman has zebo mawe. A woman has zebo mawe. We be a woe. The make you not kidding. I born as zebo se me. On a zebo se me. The make you not kidding. You say?
She has come here before.
She has not come here before now, but she said.
You never go back with your auto. See what I say? He does speak English. Oh. He has come here before. The priest now made you with that woman enter house. Oh yeah, he have come here before.
I don't have wife at home. This is that. They wish I don't have wife at home. All of them say my wife is not beautiful. The day when you will call social media, all of them they will hey.
Because of them to come here because they are useless people.
You say what?
I can't because of those people.
They are not hearing. Talk loud now.
I can't because of puppies to come on life.
Oh, is that cannot because of them to come this thing? Okay, is that what is that now? English? Is that English? That is just ordinary pidgin English. The pidgin English is not even correct. That pidgin English not even correct, self. He don't come my house before. I don't even know. He don't speak good English. He don't speak good pidgin English. What is she saying? Oh, goddamn. What is she saying? She cannot speak just ordinary pidgin English. Huh. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Ikita kayo renya. Ewo nene wona damu. Ewo nene wo kobe no. No go there small. Oh. Oye gboregbe. Weregbe. Seriously? Oh, what does he 49? No dia me your bo. Ob your bog biru we try making. Eyo ni wadi. O sha hugbe. O si keke o igbe. Oya. Oya play.
They vote here aro. Yeah, Becky say me not get well for us. A woman has zebo mawe. A woman has zebo mawe. We be a woe. The make you not kidding. I born as zebo se me. On a zebo se me. The make you not kidding. You say?
She has come here before.
She has not come here before now, but she said I don't have wife at home. This is that.
She have come here before. Mona call me your English, don't break my neck. She have come here before. Don't priest. What do you call this? English? She have come here before. Ha, madam, I beg, if you be shan, don't worry, facing no say neko. Well, let us pidgin English, ya major. You have come here before. You have come here before. Don't priest. Now this English, now this woman they speak for you for inside house. Oh, how your children? I don't know how did your children language waiting go resemble now. When adult delinquents, they are taking care of children. I think that children, they will have something meta. They go get meta problem. Ha! Now, wow. Eh?
Don't correct.
Incorrect.
Okay.
If we say I don't have wife at home, all of them say my wife is not beautiful. The day when you go call social media, all of them will hey.
I beg, don't priest, eh? Go find where you go chucking and put. Not obio as a web via social media. Your pidgin, just common pidgin English. Your pidgin English, eh? You don't even know how to speak pidgin English. I don't even know what you are saying. You don't know how to speak pidgin English. You don't know how to speak good English. Which language are you speaking? What's this? Where you for they come? Eh? Where this woman? Don't please you come, eh? Where go to your nice bo? No, please, yeah. When I hear English, I can't laugh all the way they say bo. Jesus, amen. Don't keep boje. Maybe you know where mezonowa. Now wait till this so. Don't to go far. Eh? 44. 41. 44. Why be saying 44 when what that muja? Nah, what? Aya. Play now. Why you no want play? See, we went back in table, he hand for his mouth for the English when the woman speak.
Oh, mama, Lord, they wear the same cloth.
Don't priest marriage ni well. The same. Don't priest post him nyanwa woko ni hero. A picture marriage we.
Joyce, good evening. We the English class here. Oh. There is one live video, Moron. He said that his wife can speak good English. Please, you are still here. You know, we don't know pidgin English. Please come and tell us good English. Please come and I'm calling people to help me out. If this English is correct, please put your ear down where. Is what is his name again? Don Prince's wife. Don Prince said that his wife can speak good English, Queen's English. Look at what is coming out of that woman's mouth. Let's see. Put your ear down well. You will speak on now.
A picture marriage we. Don't Prince post it.
Not too. Wait.
Remember video ni no ya digwe uwe o. Uwe sumo ho no mu. Yo no ye na yeah, I can have video no ye we na ho ni. Get we go video call. It be like that ho. I know one me caution for. Don't Prince go mele we saga live video wa so. You too cry o. Me I can follow you do saga. You too cry Don't Prince. Have you agbe?
If I see say you do us mass, I can't go to like you. In my ma woo. Ela me ma koko meni ya wo kwere our war.
No bia no.
When tama we na. So when we je, I got feel when me be you have like how no, there are people that like you naturally. There are people that like you naturally. Masa na, we vote you aro. You vote you aro. They vote TV Aro. Yeah, Becky say me not get well for us. A woman here zebo mawe. A woman here zebo mawe. We be a wo we. The make na ke me ebo na zebo se me. On na zebo se me. The make na ke ebo. You say?
She has come here before.
She has not come here before now, but it.
She have come here before. She have come here before. Is that English, my people? Even pidgin English correct past this one. You don't reach this house before. She have come here before. What is she saying? She have come here before. What is she saying? Huh? Oh, the Prissy, welcome.
She has not come here before now, but she said that don't have.
She has not come here before now. Don't see her, brother, cousin English mistress. Hey, you know, Bola, see, she has not come here before. She have come here before. Oh my God. She have come here before. See English.
Wife at home, this is that. We say I don't have wife at home. All of them say my wife is not beautiful. The day when you will call social media, all of them will hey.
I cannot because of them to come here because they are useless people.
You say what?
I can't because of those two.
They are not hearing. Talk loud now.
I can't because of puppies to come online for social media because I don't have time for rubbish.
Why not better? Yeah, I want to see.
So delinquent. This is adult no wow. Adult delinquent. Look at what she's saying. Saying nonsense. Rubbish. She have come here before. She have come here before. Is that English? The English, I'm very interested in it. I love that English. Enoge not see this English. Even Mama Nora cannot speak English like this. To be honest, the way she talks, she's so local. She's local. Through her speech, you know, say this woman, she's a local woman. She's so local. Oh, big me that need it there. He can't tie. Well, I want no back here. I will be where will be no back here. I say this. What kind of women? These men, they cannot go out with a woman that's going to school. These people. I talk and say no. The people that these guys will go out with, the same people like them. I was not lying. I know the kind of people they are. I want shift and small. That English, yesterday, I was on the floor yesterday. I did floor yesterday, they cry. I said, what's this? Did this thing off? What happened? Be not off. Why is Sununa? I be wait. Be like say. I check on whether I pause. Okay, it's on pause.
Video call. It be like that. I know what me call show before I come. Don't please I go and the way we saga like you. You too cry. Me I come follow you do saga. You too cry. Don't please. Have you agbe?
If I see say you do us mass, I can't go to like you.
She have come here before. She have come here before. Now he right. She have come here. She have come here before.
Our war.
No, bien.
When time so when we I got feel when maybe you have like how no, there are people that like you naturally. There are people that like you naturally. Masa, you vote Yaro. You vote Yaro.
The woman is back. You people should listen carefully. Listen very well. You see the kind of nonsense English. The woman didn't even speak English. Nonsense. Did she talk? Did she speak? So, you know, say sometimes people that accept this kind of men, We know say those people they get low esteem. Now they follow this kind men. People that have the lowest faculty when they take the reason, the lowest one. I talk him. I said, no, there is no woman that is up here that will follow this kind of people. You know, we are women. Like, some of women know the kind of men they go out with. Some women know the kind of men they marry. When you marry some kind man, when your reason and his own reason is not, you know, they go together, you will just drop the man. When you get a man, the man don't know how to plan, he don't know how to do anything. There is no way you can go further with that man. This man is so fucking, he's so fucking foolish. How can you bring somebody out on media? You say your wife can speak good English. At the end of the day, the woman, she's not talking. Just like, I don't know, it's like, even if you go carry somebody come for Otuansa, carry and come and don't say Hausa people, they know they turn their English upside down. We know say Hausa the people, they turn their English upside down, but we never knew that. And those state people, that they turn their English upside down like this. When we are talking about the best so far city in Nigeria that speak Pidgin English, that colonize this Pidgin English, is Edo and Warri. That is Edo and Warri, Urobo. Now we colonize this Pidgin English, Edo State and Urobo, Warri. They say they find Pidgin English. Look at the one this woman just speak. It's not even Pidgin English. I don't even know. It's like he carries something from here, carry from here, knock it together. It's like long time. I never hear this kind of English for a very long time.
The vote in the yeah, Becky say me not get one for us.
The woman, she's back now. Listen to what came out from this woman's mouth. I don't even know what she's trying to talk. Whether is she trying to say something? Is she trying to talk? You don't know something. So, oh, that woman, Mumu no good. I said it when a Mumu with Mumu know they do business together. Mumu and Mumu, they know they do business together. There is no way it will work. It's not going to work. That is why they always use it as a proverb that if a Mumu man is asking for business requirements, you know they ask fellow Mumu like her. It's not going to be possible. A Mumu man will go and ask a Mumu man business requirement. How is it going to work? Just like Don Prince now and this woman, he called his wife. Two of them is Mumu. Don Prince don't even know who is speaking Pidgin English, who is speaking good English. Don Prince don't even know because the two Mumu, they are staying home together. They live together. The woman is speaking rubbish. Don Mumu didn't know what this woman is saying. Don Mumu just thought, say, this woman, she speak English. Because Don Mumu is a Mumu, that is why he didn't know what this woman is talking about. This one is not talking. Obio, I sound here say where Muelo no said that bare if not the Facebook now. You call that English? Oh, madam, please, do you know what? Let me just give you a little bit of advice. If you think that you speak English, or maybe you speak this English to Don Mumu, because Don Mumu is an illiterate. Because you know, it's only illiterate that we accept this English. Don Mumu is a sax illiterate. That is why he said that my wife speak good English. Obio, if you anytime you come across this video, you don't even know what you are saying. Obio, about where's the bo? Where is the Pidgin English? You Pidgin English, you know, say, oh, what clear, your Pidgin English, not they clear. You can't even speak Pidgin English. talk like say na good English, now you won't go speak. Are you serious? Madam, if this mumu man when you follow their house, they help you say you they speak good English. Madam, did you see this man you are living with? Are you living with him or is him living with you? You see this man is a dummy. The man is a madman. If this man should accept this your English, this one that just came out from you, this talk, not English, this talk that just came out from your mouth, if this man raise praises on you that you speak good English, my dear, let me just introduce you to a place where you will go and learn. Go to YouTube. There is English class in YouTube. Go there, go and learn. Because you are not talking. This is rubbish. So, Domumu, you for carry this woman come and make him fool himself. What was this? What kind of people is this? Oh my God in heaven. In the name of the Father, the Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Ave Maria. Any money they were von our biele. Ave Maria. Our biele. Ave Maria. Yogenya medone. Ose no bla. So you are just cracking your brain. Just the miss nyan. Just the talk nyan. Just the talk rubbish. Telling Facebook that your wife speak good English because you are a mumu man. That is why you don't even know what your wife is saying. So, obvio, or app here, maybe you don't know the meaning of app. You know, it app you. They tell you say your English good. Now mumu man, how you follow say? My sister, your English, you know they speak English. You don't even speak pidgin English self. I don't even know what you are saying. That you are irrelevant. You are not relevant. You are irrelevant. Don't not just come out or don't just try it. Don't even try it. Don't bring that bullshit on social media. Whether they don't say, madam, get inside with your fucking shit. I don't even know what you are saying. Are you all right? Are you normal? Eh? So this mumu man now, why can you come and say you they speak English? So obvio, ebo weze. Also carry emina remember that time oria if you find the deep village oria no say carry korea other dinya say bo aba. So all the other one your ebo weze. Whether walking, whether walk full leg, whether walking is on ebo. Are you serious? Even the worst village so far. So the priest for your mind say this. So the priest, I felt to say this guy nah. The priest now. Yes, you know there is some things in life when you see it on some people sometimes. When you see some people sometimes, you just read them and you say, "This is what this guy is. This is who this guy is." When I see Don Prince, I know that Don Prince is not learned. You know, get him for upstairs. It's just empty. I thought about it. I know that this is who he is. He don't know anything. Until he proved it yesterday on this video when Becky they analyze. When I see that rubbish that woman said yesterday, I said, what is it? What's this? What are you guys doing? What's this? English. Oh yeah, by English, you were sure now. You call this English? Oh my God, it never can bow it. More listen to the English once again. More listen to Don Prince. Don Prince say where they speak English. Where? Obvio. Where I will go at Dagbare, me why me or Bokwelo. Oh, vai. Oh, meu, que de bom na.
A woman has a bomawe. A woman has a bomawe. We be a woe. The macro not giving a bone as a boss. On as a boss, a macro can bo. You say?
She has come here before.
She has not come here before now, but she said that I don't have wife at home.
Una see Oyibo, they have come here before. Ha! Jesus Christ of Nigeria. Ha! Don't please now this one you say they speak English. Ah. They go trick one. They pay me. You have come here before. Jesus Christ. You have come here before. The English chocolates this woman. She's short of words. They don't have anything to say. She's broke down. The English broke you down.
Home, this is that. A wish I don't have wife at home. All of them say my wife is not beautiful. The day when you will call social media, all of them will hey.
See, I'm not just trying. Not just try bring this delinquent on social media. This one is adult fool. This one is a delinquent. This guy cannot even flow with ordinary pidgin English. Not to talk of good English. No, you to say pidgin English. No man, with the use. But this girl no fit talk good English. I say good pidgin English. Use chest, carry this woman, say sit down. Just a talk with ordinary pidgin English. This woman cannot proceed with pidgin English. Talk let's say good English. Awara komu. Now dog now use it carry on. He say English don't break leg. Not be only leg go. The two I tell you, say me use chest sit down for ordinary ground because if you hear this English, you go meme. Are you serious? Ha! My lady, you are funny. I'm not funny. Did you see? This is not funny. My Percy. I'm not the one that speak that English. I'm not the one that spoke it. She is Don Prince's wife. She's the one that spoke this English, not me. Even the person that analyzed this video, she was chocolate. See, she was. See, Itaya. You see English? Right again for there. They never finish. Oh.
You say what?
I can't because of those two.
They are not hearing. Talk loud now.
I cannot because of them. I can't. So now this English, now this woman they speak for this mumu for inside house. Now this mumu go we call the fee say person they talk around with English. And not because of those people come. Just speak pidgin. This woman, she cannot speak pidgin English. She don't even know what she's saying.
Hearing. Talk loud now.
I can't because of puppies to come online for social media because I don't have time for rubbish.
Why no Hameta? Yeah, I want to see. Mama Ivy. Ivy of everybody. Ivy to the world. Ivy when anyone can very bonose. Where is the bunny?
Don't please, will you get lost? Will you off? What are you saying? Are you kidding? What's that? What's that? Even Becky self, he tired for the distance. Make a check him.
Don't please post him a picture marriage way. Don't please post them. Umame video ni no ya digwe uwe o. Uwe sumo ho no mu. No ye na ala keni a video no ye we na ho ni. Get we I'll go video call. It be like that ho. I no want me caution for come. Don't please I go mele the way we saga live video wa so. You too cry o. Me I can follow you do saga. You too cry don't please. Have you agbe?
If I see say you do us mass, I can't go to like you. In me ma wu. Era me ma koko meni ya wo kwere awa wo.
No bia nu.
When tama we na. So when we je, I got see when me be you have like how we. No, there are people that like you naturally. There are people that like you naturally. Masa na, we vote ya ro. You vote ya ro. We vote ya ro. Yeah, Becky say me not get well for us. A woman has zebo mawe. A woman has zebo mawe. We be a woe. The make na make me a bo na zebo se me. Oh, na zebo se me. The make na ke bo. You say?
She has come here before.
She has not come here before now, but she.
See English. See English. Has come here before. Has she been to my house before? Has she been to this place before? She has come here before. Is that English? Did she know here? Did she know your house? Has she been here before? Huh?
Said I don't have wife at home, this is that. We say I don't have wife at home. All of them say my wife is not beautiful. The day when you will call social media, all of them will hey.
See, I don't please not your triumph. On the mina near the Mondelan when you dagbare ba. That is ridiculous. Now English, now you call that one. Oh, yo, if you day here, maybe you see this video. If you be shy anywhere when you for come, I don't care to know whether you from Edo State. Please, no use chest sit down. Maybe as you just did now, you can't say you want to speak English. You are not talking. You don't even know what you are saying. You don't know what you are saying. You don't even know. You can't speak ordinary pidgin English. They'll say, just carry biro, write pidgin English. She no will fit. I know. I said this kind of people, the kind of women they go out with is the same like them. The same category. I said it. I did it. I think I did live video last week. Is it last week? I said it on my live video. I said there is a full responsible woman that will go out with this kind of men. Men without no job, no document, no residence, no house. What are you doing with them? They are lunatic. They are street lunatic. I said it. I said, when I reason and say, which kind of woman these people they friend? These people cannot stay with a woman that go to school, woman that is educated woman. These people cannot withstand them. They can't stay with this woman, with the women for 1 minute. No, they're not go fit. It was like the women, they intimidate them. You know, you cannot stay with this kind of low esteem people. It's like they intimidate them. I said it. Because sometimes, when I say something, sometimes people say, I bet, lovely. Now they talk, say, now you know, pass. Lovely, no, they talk. No! Look, people, read people. I do read people body language. When I see you, I know who you are. I can just explain the stuff that you are made on. You go even they tell me, say, how do you know my character? I read people character. I'm not just they come they watch. I read people character. When I see you, I know who you are. If as I see that woman, when he followed Don Priest, they talk. I don't even think say that woman even enter secondary school. that woman, that woman, I don't think say that woman, he go JSS1. That woman did attend JSS1, JSS2, JSS3, no. Even the Tom Priest self. How can you just sit down and say to people on social media, do you know how many views you have that day? Because I don't watch them. Maybe he can be with 60 view, 100 or something view, because they say only 1 something now they see 100 or something view. The people that is watching you is a lot. And after you have done with the video, you drop the video, the people that will see the video later, 3 days, 4 days, a week, 1 month, because people do see video like that after 1 month. The people that will see that video, they'll say, what's this? What is she saying? What is she saying? Is she okay? She don't even know what she's saying. So you want to introduce that woman to live video. So for your mind, you will just take a chair and sat that woman that just say, sit down, face the screen, and talk with people. With what? With what? If she want to proceed, with what? Is she going to use pidgin English? She can't even speak pidgin English. She going to use Isha language? Which language is she going to use? We are not talking about good English here. Let's just talk about Isha language and pidgin English, because this girl, she cannot speak pidgin English. There is no way go they up and up with good English. It's not going to be possible, because she don't know what she's saying. That woman, she just adult delinquent. How can somebody as big as that? I don't see that woman, because the way when you listen to her voice, you can see that she's not a child. That woman, she's not a child. She's not a baby. No, she's not a baby. Look at the way look at what she's saying. So don't move for your mind. So you will bring that woman on Facebook. Then you will tell the woman, sit down. Come my face, my fans, my audience, they are here. Face them. Talk to them. With what? With that nonsense? Your Facebook will scatter that day. They go be so tired. She gonna get a lot of insult. People are gonna wash her with insult, because she don't even know what she's saying. Somebody that cannot speak pidgin English. We are not talking about good English here. Let's just say now pidgin English. Now everybody think they talk. Let her proceed with pidgin English. Let's see how she speak pidgin English before you talk of good English. She never even reached level of pidgin English. You are talking about good English. Maybe the Ishana, if you tell her say make her speak Ishana, she can be professional there. In Ishan language, she can be very good in Ishan language. But when you talk of good English, please, she can't even speak pidgin English. Talk less of good English. Are you guys serious? Do you guys really know what you are saying? I said it before. This kind of men, they go out with non-entity women that don't have anything upstairs. If I'm saying it sometimes, people say, this woman, you think they make shakara, this woman, blah, 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 this woman, you think they carry yourself up. No, we know they carry ourselves up. If you want to deal with people, know the kind of people you deal with. Know the kind of people you go out with. You not just grab somebody that don't know anything. He go tell you, say, now you can't know something past. How can the blind lead the blind? You look at these two people now. 2 of them, they are blind. 2 of them are pity for the little children they have. The little children that is growing under their care, you know. Those little children, they are growing under their care with stupid, guaguaristic, nyama. I don't even know. That is not even pidgin English. Look at the way the woman is talking. You just know that woman is a garage woman. Yes. So, Don Mumu, is a pity that you are a big fool. Your saga with Enoge, that's not my business. That is not my business. You once insulted me before. Then I insulted you back. That is me. When you insult me, I'm coming to give you back. That is loving for you. You cannot insult me and go away with it. No. I'm going to keep it for you. The day I have your time, then I will come and give it to you the way you would like it. For you and Enoge is doing saga. That is you guys' business, not my business. But what I'm telling you at this moment, right now, don't please, if you come across this video, please, do not bring your baby mama outside. Do not bring your baby mama outside. Don't do it. Because your baby mama don't even know what she's saying. Because we go too laughing. Blogger go too career. Only this one alone. Maybe blogger never too see her. If blogger see her, they'll say, what is this? You are telling people your wife, you don't know where your wife learned this kind of English that she's speaking. My wife can speak English. Seriously? Oh my God. This is bullshit. Oh, ridiculous. This is a stupid. See, sorry, my people, that's it for put inside.
You say what?
I can't because of those two.
They are not hearing. Talk loud now.
I can't because of puppies to come on live on social media because I don't have time for.
Oh, bullshit. This is. We call. Can we? What are we going to call this? Is this one grammatical pidgin English or what? Domumu. When people call you Domumu, sometimes I ask them, why are you calling this guy Domumu? I never knew that he's a real Domumu. Domumu, what's this? What kind of woman do you have at home? Delinquent like you? Oh my God. Seriously? You see this one? This one is dumbfounded. This one is dumbfounded. This one is, oh my God. Seriously? Oh, I hate English. Not English, eh? It's going to take a word there. Don't worry, we are giving you a word of that English you just that come out from your mouth. So this woman, you the truth for your own mind. Ah, you don't get never see that English. You don't get never. You don't get. Where are you, Domumu? It's Nokia.
Come on live on social media because I don't have time for rubbish.
Why no Hameta? Yeah, I'll see. Madam.
A beauty may come when a beauty gain. I want use and blend the fruit. I want use and blend the fruit. And the priest.
I feel like this my dance today. Tomorrow I'll dance
For us. A woman has a bomber. A woman has a bomber. We be a war. The Macron not giving a bone as a boss. On as a boss, a man. The Macron. You say?
She has come here before.
She has not come here before now, but she said I don't have wife at home. This is that.
She have come here before. She have not come here before. Hey! She have come here before. That is English, oh. She said that her woman can speak perfect English. This the English her woman have in her Now, when the woman get in her ear be day so since they say make they speak the English in her ear, he has come my house before. He has come my house before. Okay, she has not Half. She have no half. Wow. Wow. Why don't we never boy? Is it amazing? Hey, why is that she have not half? Hey. My sister, you see English? Don't say wife, they speak English well. Man, we go there, man, you see English. Now tell her say, I bet, man, no carry across.
Hello, lovely, amazing people. Good evening. I'm just going to do this video here. Let me share. Please share. May you fair go first. I will do it.
Get where I'll go video call. It be like that hoe. I know what me caution before I come. The priest I go the way we saga live video. I saw you too cry. Oh. Me I come follow you do saga. You too cry, the priest. Have you been?
My Bessie.
If I see say you do us mass, I can't go like you. In your ma woo. Ela me ma koko meni ya wo kwere awa wo.
No, bien.
When tama we na. So when we je, I got people to be like no, there are people that like you naturally. There are people that like you naturally. Masa we vote you aro. You vote you aro. We vote you aro. Yeah, Becky say me no get well for us. Eh? A woman.
Listen, my sister. A woman on here zebo. Look at the English where don't pre say a woman no reze. Even the deepest village so far inside Benin, they no go speak this English. At this time, this woman, she have been in Europe for so many years. Some villages in Ishan land, even Ora side, this I know say that they see some villages. There is a village in inside one place for Ishan. It's very far away. Even Anam himself cannot speak this. I don't even know what this woman. I don't know what she's saying. This is not even correct pidgin English. So if I say come and speak pidgin English, this one is not correct pidgin English.
Please share before I share the story.
A woman has zebo mawe. A woman has zebo mawe. We be awo we. The make na ke me an ebo na zebo se me. On zebo se me. The make na ke ebo. You say?
She has come here before.
She has not come here before.
Oh, she have come here before.
But if she said I don't have wife at home, this is that. A wish I don't have wife at home. All of them say my wife is not beautiful.
We did tally.
Oh, wow.
Umama video ni no ya digwe uwe sumo ho no mu. No ye na ala keni a video no ye we na ho ni. Get we go video call. It be like that ho. I know one me caution before I come. The priest I go the way we saga live video I saw you too cry oh. Me I come follow you do saga. You too cry the priest. Have you be?
If I see say you do us mass, I can't go like you. In your ma woo. Ela me ma koko meni ya wo kwere awa wo a.
No bianu.
When tama we na. So when we je, I got feel when me be you go like oh how we. No, there are people that like you naturally. There are people that like you naturally. Masarena, you vote Yaro. You vote Yaro. You vote Yaro.
He want read the English side. Make I not talk put. Make una listen to Don Mumu when he say his wife they speak English.
Yeah, Becky say me not get well for us. Eh? A woman ya zebo mawe. A woman ya zebo mawe. We be a wo we. The make na ke ya ebo na zebo se me. On zebo se me. The make na ke ebo. You say?
She has come here before.
She has not come here before now, but she said I don't have wife at home, this is that. We say I don't have wife at home. All of them say my wife is not beautiful. The day when you go call social media, all of them will hey.
I cannot because of them to come here because they are useless people.
You say what?
I cannot because of those two people.
They are not hearing. Talk loud now.
I cannot because of puppies to come online for social media because I don't have time for rubbish.
Why no, Hameta? Yeah, I don't see. Mama Ivy of everybody, Ivy to the world. If you were any woman, I very bonoze. Ewi, where is the boni?
Okwere nu ya mu oni azele bo ma mere okwere luri azele bo ma kan because of puppies kan live video azu awa gbon o da fun we puppies done igala lu enu mujo wa and come because of puppies can live video because ware gas
Becky, he don't even know how to even line English. She don't even know the word that she will use. She just dumb blast. She just say anything that comes from her mind. She don't know how to put English together. She's an adult delinquent. What did she want to do for social media? Come for herself. As I say, may not true come because she's irrelevant. She's not relevant at all. What is she saying? Eh? Even I don't understand. Old woman like that. So now that one Don Mumu say Don Prince because me I know say if they fight, concern me. Now that one Don Prince say his wife they speak English. Don Prince, please don't even try to bring this woman on live video. When you bring this woman on live video, it will be a heavy disgrace to your life, to your entire life. And they will go to blog it and keep it. And they will be using that woman's shame to mock you. Because you and the woman, you guys, you brain, no man. I know, I said this kind of people, which women they follow this kind of people? Like that guy. I can't stay with that guy for one day for inside house. Because he's a non-entity. You don't get brains. Somebody when they talk, you don't even know what he's saying. He just talk because he just want to talk. I'm on live video, let me talk. They say that they are motivational speaker. They talk to people. Now wait till that woman they talk. If you even use check, carry that woman, say sit down. The woman not fit talk with pidgin English. Talk like say and good English now you want to the zuzu with any women that live with this men, you will know that they are the same category. Even maybe one will be little better than one, or the two of them they are the same. Because when you see Don Prince now, we have never heard from this woman one day. I've never know if he live with any woman. I've never heard this woman voice one day. This woman I've never speak one day. The first time this woman have talked in live video, look at what she's saying. I said it before. This kind of people, they go with low life women, low class women, and they go out with. Yes. You see what I said which day? You see? I'm not lying. You look people you don't see more dog bell Tonya. If woman for your husband, they'll say it's an abomination. If you want to ask the woman, say, okay, since you decide to follow your woman and disgrace, since you decide to follow your husband, you want to disgrace your husband, you want to fight your husband, okay, we give you B of 2 goat, 2 fowl, and 7 yam. Before you give that thing to a woman, you have to rate the woman from her head to her toes. If you say na dirty cloth wear, even the head daddy go say, I bet on no go na your neither me go not a dog na. This one knows this one when you wear rag, you know see money when you take buy okpa. I go kwa have vive na. You see Don Mumu. When I see Don Prince, I know that the woman that is living with Don Prince, that woman will be the lowest Mumu woman on this earth. And what I talk, it true to come to pass. But I don't live with them. I've never seen the woman one-on-one. I've never seen the woman. This is the first time hearing this woman talking. The first time this woman talk on live video, he pollute air. Don Prince woman just pollute air. He put that air on virus. He pollutes the air. Look at what this woman is saying. If the woman, as you claim, this woman, she's educated, she can speak English, in that position where that woman meets you at that moment, when you call that woman, if that woman is really intelligent, if you call her, she's not going to respond to you. She won't respond to you because she won't take herself to the stage where you are. She will reduce herself to where you are. And she will not bring herself down to the dirty place where you are. I wish if that woman was a really intelligent woman, or if that woman is somebody in a society. At the end of the day, the woman, she's nothing. She can't even talk. She can't even, just common pidgin English. This woman don't fit talk with pidgin English. Then you are talking of good English when this woman cannot even explain just little, just to talk, normal talk. Just if now pidgin English, she don't come here before. She don't come here before. Why she dey talk say you don't get wife for house? That is normal. Try to use language that nobody will accept that language, and nobody will understand that language. Why are you forcing yourself to speak the language you don't even know how to speak? The language you don't even practice. She don't practice English. There is no way you can proceed with English. Yes. Something language where you don't practice language, you don't do anything with the language, you just want to talk because Don Prince say my wife go fit speaking, my wife they speak English well. Don Prince, if not that English, now for your mind say your wife they speak, you are the most delinquent fool that I've never come and see in my life. I never see your type. Don Prince, please, don't even bring your wife on social media. If you want to bring your wife on social media, not tell people say my wife know how to speak English. Your wife cannot speak just common pidgin English. Can your wife sit down and tell us, make all they speak ordinary pidgin English? Your wife not fit speaker. Pidgin English when people say they sing. You know if you speak pidgin English. Yes, she cannot proceed with pidgin English. Just give your wife 30 minutes or 20 minutes. Tell her, say, may you just do his speech with pidgin English. She not go fit. Something. As he don't enter house, let's say, they say I not get wife. You say, see me for here. Now be your wife now. Clear. Finish. See me for you. Who tell you say you not get wife? I there here now. See me now. She don't enter here before. When she go talk, say you not get wife for house. Finish. That is pure. Even if say you speak that one, even if you say you speak that English to America, you go even know what you they talk safe. You don't reach here before. She never come greet you before. How she go know? How she go tell no say you don't get wife for house? Finish. She they talk rubbish. No, even the woman don't even know what they talk. You know when a foolish person with foolish person, and when they jump themselves, if they laugh for street. Now once you tell no, they'll say I was we get the foolish people. They don't say they laugh, they come. Now it be this Don Prince and this woman when he carry come when he can't talk. Only the word when he talk, he pollutes air. But you can't bringing that woman in public, that delinquent, that adult delinquent, no go one more. I said it before that these people, when the priest they give belle, they go. Now illiterate ashawo now they give belle, they go. How can somebody sometimes I think of most of those women sometimes. They don't even care who they go out with, who they open their leg for. So far the man you carry cassava come out. Once the man you carry cassava come out, he don't finish. Then they show na dick as they show deaf person dumb person when he deaf. As stupid as this man is, this man got married in Italy after he break up with the wife. Then he went to France. He pregnant a lady there in France. He break up with the woman. The woman have child for him. Then he got this woman again. Can't you people resist somebody that uses himself to turn to baby father? Then what are you doing with that man? A baby father of 5 to 6 children. Why is interested in them in those men? Why be say these people here you know, to be honest, to be frank and sincere. I cannot run this package. I can't do it. It's not going to possible. A man with 5 children with different baby mama? What am I doing? Who are you? Show that you are not responsible. At the end of the day, this Don Priest is getting a lot of women, getting them pregnant, having the kids with that he's not there with them. He don't even know where those children is at this moment. He got married in Italy. He abandoned his wife. He come to France. He pregnant one baby mama. He abandoned the baby mama. That is 2 women. He got pregnant with another baby mama. He abandoned the baby mama. And he got pregnant with another baby mama again. A 4. At the end of the day, those women will know that this man have pregnant 4 women. And when it comes to you guys' way, you still grab them. What are you doing with those people? Can't you see that those people, they has no future? At the end, he's just doing this. Why is he doing this? All the name to get a document. The one he got married with in Italy. He got married to that woman because of document. At the end of the day, he couldn't have any. Then after that, he waited for so many years. He see that he cannot get anything from that woman. Then he left that woman and he crossed to France. Then when he got to France there, he's looking for women that have documents, that he will got them pregnant. From that pregnancy, when the woman gave birth to the child, then through that child, he will have document. And those women that is getting pregnant with at this moment, they don't have any documents. Just a stupid man. Before you get them pregnant, then I say, sister, I beg, make I see whether you truly get documents. No, they will just tell you with mouth that I have documents. They are not worried now. I'll take you. I'll go give you documents. They'll just give you drink for you. You don't drink finish with your drunk foolery. Then you begin to the bank them. When you bank. At the end of the day, you get the stupid women. You get them pregnant. The smelly goat. Even goat don't get pregnant the way this human being of a woman get pregnant. If as don't Prince, as stupid as he is, if women still open to for this man, that means that those women, they are not okay. They are still the same like him. Same mad woman. This one that is, when he's talking, he's shouting, closing his eye. What's that? Stay with madman. Drinking all the time. He's an alcoholic. All the time he's drinking. Like the second one, that one is short. When he's drinking any bottle is bigger than him. Whenever he want to put, you see hand, the hand goes small. When you go carry the this, he'll say, look at very tiny hand with big bottle. When you want to put this thing, drink with big bottle, and that bottle big person. I don't know. Are you guys, how are you going to live your life? Can you guys continue like this? Having kids with different women? And those women, we know that these men, they are spam donuts. They still get down with them. How can you guys be getting down with irrelevant men? Getting down with men without no address? They have no document, no job, nothing of their own. They have no home of their own. They cannot feed. These people, they cannot go for a shopping of 50 euros. Sometimes when I look at these women, I say, why are you like this? Why don't I not even go school at all? Did you see? Sometimes they say, leave education. The people that do need something in life, they need education to support it. Yes, to support it. To support it. Like these people now, I don't understand. When you are talking to them, it's like you are talking to people that don't have ear. They don't have ear. People that didn't go to school. It's like when you are talking to them, it's like, I'm a bohogwa. What's this? What? Must you hook up with man? Must you hook up with irrelevant man? All the name that I want to marry. A man that got 5 women pregnant, have 5 children with different women. At the end of the day, he never got married to anyone. Even the one that he got married with, he abandoned that one with the child. And how is it going to work? How is it going to work? How do you guys really sometimes, how they see how nothing they do? How if you do like this? Now, shameful thing now. Is it not a shameful thing to you people? Getting down with a low life man. Sometimes they will say, now God won't give you, go give you. No, not this kind of man. Did you know, did you say, this thing is a karma. You know, karma is a bitch. It's karma that caught up with these people. You see their life today. After 10 years, after 7 years in Europe, they don't even get document. When they'll say, if government sees my document, the country sees my document, they don't even have. Look at this Don Prince now. Let's just sit down and just take this Don Prince. Just say, let's take this Don Prince to interview. Let's interview this Don Prince. Everything that will come out from his mouth is rubbish. We don't dey shout for them. I tell you, that baby Don Prince. That's what I'm talking about. I may be a local. And I got do this thing. And when you see these people, I don't even know where they buy the clothes they wear. When you see Don Prince, now it's Don Prince on live video. Every t-shirt that he put on, everything will just tick back for his body. Just tiny. When he's talking, raising his hand, then the cloth is folding up. Oh my God. I like these people. Wahala. They give me joy. If they laugh and they use all my body to laugh. Then when he's talking, he's raising his hand up, and then the t-shirt will be going up. T-shirt will call, they go up, it will call reach breast. Then the never go take. I look and say, how can this be somebody's husband? When he's talking, no, anything that he wear is tiny, because he don't have money to buy. You don't have money to buy something to wear. Then the cloth will be very tight on him. And when he's talking, shouting, the cloth is folding. Then the cloth will stop here. It will stop at his chest. When he's when he's done shouting, then he will use his hand to pull the cloth down. We pull the cloth down. Say, look at this moron. So this one is somebody's what? Somebody's boyfriend. This cannot be somebody's husband because he's not qualified to be somebody's husband. How can this be somebody's husband? To be say this is matrimonial home. How can this is not qualified to be somebody's husband. He is not qualified to live in a matrimonial home. When we talk about matrimonial home, sometimes when I look at you people, sometimes I say, what kind of people is this? Why are they like this? You see these people, where they sleep is dirty. They cannot clean up the place where they sleep. Look at when Don Priest come out, the t-shirts that he will wear, all those things that he bought in AliExpress, or maybe they bring them from Nigeria. You see, everything is ball. You have a hair, you know, fake clothes. Like this one that I wear now, this one cannot get a hair. The one they wear, you know, is fake. Get a hair, you know, get a hair, ball. Everything is just coming out, you know, because it's a fake material. When you see it on them, I say, what is this? When you talk and shout, how can somebody be shouting? The cloth that you put on, the cloth will be pulling by itself. Cloth go they pull for body come out by itself. By somebody that put on cloth, at the end of the day, you will see this. You will see his stomach on the floor. The cloth go come the chest. Jesus Christ of Nigeria. Seriously? How do you guys live with this kind of people? I can't. No. I can't do this. This no. No. I can't go there. No. That place is the last place for me to go. No. Now little thing, now they no. Then when he's talking, the cloth is here. Then the stomach is on the ground. Then he never. I'll call the look in never. I'll call the look in never. I say, what's this? He never go come the ground. I say when he wear cloth, oh, he never go the ground. Facebook people, I raise my nyash for now. They try. I say, look at this Malu. This Malu wear t-shirt. Then the t-shirt is going up, or you go the full. So this thing will come, you will come reach here. You're going to see breasts. No, they got breasts. You see that they have breasts like a pregnant woman. How can a man have breasts like a pregnant woman? You don't dry your skin. I mean, now go dry my skin. The second one will be the senior way there for inside. That one don't see the breast don't make bang. Look at breasts. How can I be going out with a man? The man have breasts. When your make chest supposed to dry, you go feel from chest go come, you can't reach here, you can't get 6-pack. They can't get breasts. Their nipple go big. So all these women now, you guys will carry that nipple, they suck. Men don't have big breasts. Go to gym, go and burn your fat. Go burn your fat. How can a man have breasts? The same time have nyash. The same time have belly. Go get belly, go get breasts, go get nyash. But you both should go and burn your fat, please. And none of you should ever say, lovely, because your mate they married. Do you call this husband? This irrelevant men? All those men will be said they don't know what their mate they pass them for life. You call their husband. How can a man? You don't follow man, they has man will just put clothes, you don't see man see breast. Wait till he go do the breast. In a homo. Now homo he be. Breast will just the chest. How? Now illiterate people. Now they feel date these people. People like that. I said it before. I said the woman when this guy go they carry the fuck for bed. And they say character with her. Look at the English when the woman they talk, they say they speak English. Well, that woman cannot speak pidgin English. Talk by saying a good English, now you won't speak. You can tell the woman sit down proceed. You cannot proceed well. It's a mad woman. When you got married to, when you accept a mad man as your boyfriend, then you end up with him. If Don Priest come out for social media to say he baby mama, they speak English. At the end of the day, we don't see English for there. Even pidgin English say we don't see him for there. He have come to my house. He have come here. He have come here. What's that? Look, as I just did so. I open door for Malu like this. This is a Malu. Let this man, let them go and walk. A lazy man is a stupid man. When a man is lazy, that man is a stupid man. He's a cursed man. That man is under a spell. They need to go and walk. They talk her every day. I know them. I can call their name. You know? Okay, look at the union meeting they organized together. They are 5 in number. Look at the 5 in number. They are fighting themselves. No one is telling each other, what are you doing? It's not good. You don't have to do that. 5 of them. 5 of them. The one they call chairman. The chairman inside, if that one sit down, the belly go be like pig when you want bone. That one belly will just be like piggy breast. Go just say, oh, what is this? How can a man be growing breasts? Then they do breast competition for where on a day. Man will just they grow breasts. He popo go just dey inside. You just say popo dey inside. Belly go just they shine. How can a man belly they shine? Look at this guy, this Lollywood actor. That short guy from Calabar. Is it Calabar? I think he's from excuse me, I think he's from Calabar. What's the name of that guy again? That guy that always do joke. That short guy. There is a time that guy have a very big tummy. Then the tummy was not going well with him. You know, he just looked different. Then this guy went to go and burn his fat down. He take his fat out of his body. When you see this guy now, if he dress now, you'll see the guy, he has some. Look at this, all those irrelevant. Like this one, I go say message to Lovely. You the Zuzu, are you mad? Did you take concussion that refuse to digest in your system? To say message to Lovely, not those men. Did you just take a concussion that refuse to digest in your system before you came out to talk to me? Did you take that? Only just little alcohol. When you people take just little alcohol, you start misbehaving. Now they damn blast. Just little alcohol. You people now just start to they run past. Una brain all come off on our head. These people, their brain is not with them. Oh. A man, if these people, they call themselves these people, they are not a man. These people, they are just I don't even know what I would call them. Those men, they call themselves men. They have spent a decade in Europe. 10 years. The oldest one way they inside, that one don't spend 20-something years for Europe. That one is just fooling himself with the same non-entity people like him. Men without no class, men with low esteem, men without no direction, men without no home, men without no address, men that they didn't have any home on their own. They'll say they own this. This is my house. My name is written in the documents of this house. These people, they have nothing. They always pack their load and go and live with a woman. How can a man put his load and take himself, transport himself to go and live with a woman? And when you got there, you are not working. If you have documents, you relocate to go and live with your girlfriend. When you got there, look for a job, be working. That one is different case. But when you got there, you become a liability fool. The woman is a mad woman. Not that man cannot take his belongings and live with a woman. You can do it. When you have documents, you can still do it. You know, when you don't have document, if the woman accepts you, that is your choice. You can do it. But if you want to hold a respect from where that woman is, what you will do when you go there, look for a job. Even if you don't have document, just go and look for a black job. Be doing it. Then you use that time to live. You spend 8 hours, you spend 6 hours, you come back home. You will end your respect. They will respect you. But without those things, you are not doing it. You are home 24 hours drinking all those 1 euro drink, 55-cent drink. I can't do that. You expect me, and I will keep a man in my house. Go market, go do shopping, come buy drink, join the shopping when I want to. Who is going to drink it? Are you mad? Your mate, they are at work. Then I'll go to feed you with drink. They always drink. They abuse alcohol. When they are done fooling themselves with alcohol, they will come to Facebook and they will be practice their drunk foolery. They fool everybody around them just because they want to talk to others. And I have fans. The fans, I always they talk about the fans when they watch you now. Some of them, they just want to see the kind of soft you guys are made on. Know the kind of attitude you display there on social media. Not that you are doing well. They see you guys that, they are not doing well. Because most of those people that watch you guys, they are doing well. The people that watch you, they are doing well. They are just using you people to just while away their time. When they come back for work, maybe they eat, they watch themselves, then they sit down in their sitting room, they finish eating, maybe they can take 1 bottle of any alcohol they please to drink, their favorite, Maybe they'll say, let me check if one of those stupid men, if they are there fooling themselves. They'll just on it. They'll say, okay, this one is here, he's fooling himself. They will just watch you now. They will just write comments, say, oh, yeah, continue. Now you they zuzu pass. Now you they zuzu pass. It's fooling you. Because the guy already go make him money, come back home. Then you are there waiting for Facebook to pay you. Facebook, they pay me 2,000 euros. Facebook, they pay me 1,000 euros. What you know they do for them? Did you have did you sign contract with Facebook? What do you have with my Suhabe? Facebook is just something you put there. How much they pay now? They'll come the zuzu. These people, they say that they open union to build a house. They are planning to use the union. The money they get from the union, they are planning to use the money to build a house for people, homeless people, to build a house for homeless people. And these people, those men that you are seeing there, they don't have house of their own. Most of them have their own house. The house is not finished. Most of them don't have, like Ajebo Enamie Yawefi. Ajebo Enamie Yawefi, he has no house. As I tell they mock now, maybe now you will plan say, these people don't do they mock me, where you insult somebody sometime through that insult, you can pick something in that insult. Do you know? They'll say, go sit down. Or you made the bill and you there, you fool yourself. You go and you yourself don't say you know the bill has. You say, now wow, now what now this person tell me so, and now true, I know the bill has so, some people can insult you to just bring you up. Yes. Not all insults will bring you down. Some insult can make you to be something in life. When some people mock you sometimes, it can make you to be something in life. You will go, but then you'll be strong, and you will do it. But when people don't laugh, you don't know what you are missing. Yes, when people don't laugh, you don't know what you are missing. That is life. If people don't mock you, you will not know that this thing I'm supposed to do it. Like I Pajabo now, a lot of people is monkey Pajabo there on social media. Ipajabo has no home, he has no land, he has spent years in Europe. Ipajabo has nothing to show up with. Now, do you think Ipajabo is happy seeing people saying that every day by day? Before you know, now maybe you just look for money, gather money together, just go and buy a land, then he will be building his house. That is it. Maybe one day Ipajabo will say, I've built my house. Maybe Ipajabo will still whisper to people, say, it's Facebook or Facebook. That Facebook, if you go to that Facebook, you don't have anything and they are going to use it to mock you, then you have to do it with force. Look at the people that want to build house from homeless people. These people, that they don't even have a house of their own. Now, I know they talk, say, he get house. They know, they say, yeah, I have a house, I just completed my house, blah, 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 blah. But the rest, you people, you don't have a house of your own. Eh? If you guys have a house of your own, let's say, for example, you guys, you are 4 in number, you really have a house of your own, like, at the boy at this time, has spent so many years in Europe. At the boy like his mates that come the same time to Europe, most of them, they give houses to people to live. Yes, they'll say, yeah, nobody is living this. Are you going to live? They'll say, how much would they pay? You go say, any money when you see, they pay me, but they take care of the house. Did you know that people do give people house to live? They'll say, I beg, they take care of the house. You say, how much I want they pay? You say, okay, see, so money when they pay. Maybe where that they carry 200,000 for this, you tell them, say, you take, they give me 100,000. But they maintain now, you will say yes. You will collect 100,000 for your hand. So the doctor say, no, don't give me money. So say, just collect so that you go serious, you know. A part that was supposed to get house, we give it out to people. Than grouping union together. And this union, they are grouping themselves together. They are jobless men. Let's be frank and sincere. They are jobless men. No one is working. No one is working. They are jobless men. And they are all living with women. Let's count it. Oh, count her. The 5 of them, they live with women. Plus, the one they said Olivier is among of them. Olivier, what are you doing with these people? You have your own things that you have your own handwork. You made Olivier with your own hand. That everybody is seeing it on social media. I don't know why most of those Benin people, sometimes when you respect them, most of those men, you think that they are real people. You know, at the end of the day, they will bring themselves to the mood and start rubbing themselves. They will use charcoal till they rub their face. They will use it charcoal. I count 5 people. Those 5 people, they came out as what? As a union. Look at the 5 people. When you check on them, they are living with women. They are living with women. When you check on them, it's somehow. Look at Don Prince. Don Prince said that his wife can speak good English. Then when he asked his wife, come and talk, his wife started talking rubbish, irrelevant things. I pity these women that just take themselves, because those women, they are nobody. How can you, like this man now, this dirty man, when he say he don't have a job, no work, nothing, how you happy to go there, how happy to go this place? Men do work and take care of themselves. Yes, you see men that work. When you reach their house, you see different perfume, body spray, rolling and pee. They have everything. They have perfume when they use. Like this one now, when you want to buy drink, ordinary drink of €1, the Don Prince, he beg for €1. Whenever, anywhere he goes, he is always with drink. Always with drink. You just come to Europe to become a drunkard. Whenever you see that guy, he's always with drink. When he's doing live video in the street of Paris, he's drinking along the road, along the street, and shouting. Sometimes when he's doing live video, he's shouting. There is some people walking on the streets. Why are you disturbing them? Why are you a street nuisance? Why are you a street lunatic? Why are you there fooling yourself? Not only you want to be boy, you will I call you young boy or foolish boy? Now only you want to be boy where they France. There's a lot of people, there's a lot of young guys there in France, but they don't do the way you are doing. When you are shouting sometimes, I say, wait, who is this guy? Where is this guy going? Why this country no carry this guy deport and go Nigeria? Why una they condone this irrelevant man? Why do you guys, why France, why una they condone these people? Ogbalegbe no man you pon, na go carry you one day. Ogbalegbe no man you pon worry before you know you carry her couple for your hand. You find yourself in Molutala Mohammed. These people, look, they say travel is part of education. What are we seeing here? Every day by day, these people, every day by day, on one issue. Every day by day. Oh my God. These people, you see my house, I live like white people. Most people, when they watch me for so many years, they know what I can do. Cannot open my door. Make people fool my city. You can't mean yaha. You can't mean yaha. Look at Oyibo. Oyibo with the family night they has clear. No fit you can't pass people call they shout. My house is very cool. You don't mean yaha here. If you reach my downstairs. When you don't see anybody for dance, I go on my television so that I would hear noise for inside house with television. I cannot just, I know I can't do with these people. Not, I can never. No. Carry a useless man like that, carry and come my bed, make all the sleep for my bed. Nothing. When you are saying it, people say nobody bring document come for abroad. You when you get, we not say you not carry come. Can't these people also, the energy you put in yourself to get that document, why can't they put the energy as well? These people, when I am like Weibo, this guy come with leg from all the way from Nigeria. He lope. Now leg now they say enter abroad. At the end of the day, upon the desert, when these people sleep, I don't know if they drop their brain for desert, come carry ordinary head, they come abroad. Guys, when you guys throw your sense, you guys should go and pick it there and fix it back. It's like you guys, you are losing it. You know? Okay, like this Don Mumu now. You know, Bana say this guy document now just they wait for him for Italy there. How can you abandon your documents there in Italy? Yeah, let's say we'll talk now. Naduro now go take now. He's an asylum seeker. Asylum seeker always renew his asylum. When you're asylum seeker, always renew your asylum. Maybe for years now, maybe they refuse to give you positive. Maybe that they give you negative. It's almost, since he has been on this live video, and I think it's almost 2 years now. During the time Monica with Lolo, they start their fight. That was the time I was seeing him on media. They always stay by the tree. Beside there guiding, you know, shouting there, talking there. I also say, what is this? Who is this? Where is it coming from? Then at the end of the day, he become a lot of a live video presenter. He make friend with them. He become their friend, you know, shouting on social media, closing his eyes, you know. Then for almost 3 years now. Did you know that after some years, you can go back again to re-seek asylum to your own documents? Since that they give you negative, you can go back there again, take a lawyer, fight for it again. Some people today, they refuse, they deny not to give them asylum as the paper. They give them negative, negative, negative. Then they walk away. Then later they will come back again. They take lawyer. They said to the lawyer, yeah, it's long time. The lawyer said, okay, we can still go for it again. Asylum never die. Asylum not they die. Your asylum can never die. Like most of you people now, maybe you from Italy, you run away from Italy because they give you negative. You don't have document, you know, when you have negative, you don't have document. Okay, fine. You couldn't stay that country anymore because you think you don't have document. You think you're going to run away from your asylum. Asylum is one thing that you can never run away from. You can never. Maybe you say, yeah, since Italy didn't give me, let me go to Germany. When I go to Germany, Germany is going to give me. Germany is not going to give you. Germany is not going to give you. Because when you have your hand there on system, your hand is everywhere. Your hand is everywhere. When you go to Germany, they are going to find your hand. When you go to France, they are going to find your hand. When you come here in Netherlands, your hand go to show. When you go to Belgium as well, when you go to Spain, it's going to show. When you go to Austria, when you go to Denmark, any place that you go, your hand is going to show. Because there is no way they can give you document. No way. It's not going to be possible. And there is another things these people always do. Because when you talk to them sometimes, they say, shut up. Now you know pass. Now you know pass. No, we are talking about paperwork. We are not talking of, I hear say person taught this one. I hear say person taught this one. Or now you get sense pass. Paperwork is not me get sense pass. When you just sit down in the beer parlor, some people will just bring it as a chat. They'll just chat with it. Yeah, when I go this country, I read there. As I do paper, I do like this, do like this, do like this, do like this. You just read there. They'll just give you paper. They'll just load your brain with irrelevant talk. Then you carry it with your head. Whenever you go, yes, I dey go Italy. I dey come Holland. If I reach Holland before 2-3 months, before 5 months, Holland just give me documents. That is what they give you people to hold in your scope. At the end of the day, you are not going to get it. And the people that know this paperwork, you won't listen to them. You won't listen to them. There is some people, when they help you for asylum, you go to get your documents. Yes, when they help you for asylum, you go to get your documents. Like most of them now, when they leave their asylum for 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, you can still go back. Go and wake it up. There is no country you will enter. When you just put your hand on that machine, they show us say you don't fair put hand for another country. And when you just put hand, they will just try. When they just click and they'll say you put hand for Italy. Follow people that know paperwork. Don't follow people that listen to people and they keep it in their head. And they will start using that's something they hear from people mouth. They will keep it in their head. They will be using it to the talk they go. The people that this paper, before somebody tell you about documents, if you are an intelligent person, if it's a man, if it's a woman, they'll say, bro, you get documents, you'll say yes. I feel see. Just tell us, bros, I feel see. If the person really gets, he will show them to you, will say, see, I get them. I get documents. You go tell us, say, bro, how you take get this thing? Don't talk when he's explaining. Do not talk. Listen. When he's done explaining, then that you can put your opinion. You go put your opinion. Don't be saying when they explain to you, because now the patient, that is the problem you guys have. When somebody is explaining to you, you guys will not put listening ear. You have to put listening ear. Let that person, if the person want to, because you need something. If the person want to talk for 15 minutes, you have to patient and listen, because that is what you want. Then you listen, then the person explain. When the person will come explain finish, you say, ah, bro, I want to do my own. Then the person will come say, okay, where did you start? How did you start it? If you really want the truth, the person will say, okay, where did you start it? Okay, you started from Italy. Oh, bro, you have to go to Italy and wake up your asylum again. That is it. You don't abandon your asylum waiting for France to give you document. Most people, many guys when they France, they'll tell say, now their woman won't give the document. One, your woman is not working. There is no way your woman will give you documents. And your woman gets her document through asylum, right? Your woman never gets her document through working contract. No, he got that document through asylum. And if you want to get that document through that woman, the woman is not working. The woman is under government. Government is taking care of that woman. All the whole bills, government is paying it. The woman is not working. The woman don't have this thing, full stamp pay. Don't get full stamp pay. They don't pay her. At the end of the day, you carry by, you sit down for the woman house. They expect if you give the woman belle, say they will give you paper. Are you serious? The woman is not working. Which paper the woman get? Most of them they don't even get paper. The problem these people are when you just give them house, you start to give them food. The doctor say they don't arrive with that. Not that they say they get paper. No, you don't have. Until you have that paper in your hand. You don't have it. Years back, I was telling this a lot of them. They're on social media. Where are they today? They don't work. I said to them, how can you have your 5 years? You will leave the country that give you 5 years, then you will travel down to another country. That 5 years cannot exist in that country. When you take 5 years document from Italy to Germany, that document can never work in that country because it's 5 years. But when you go with passport, you can work. And if let's say for example, now if I want to work in Germany, I will have a language barrier. Do you see? I will have a language barrier. Like some people say, lovely, you get passport, just relocate, go Germany. Yeah, I can relocate to Germany, but if I want to get a job in Germany, I can get a job there in Germany, but I'm going to have language barrier. Yes, I will have language barrier. Then only the country that I will go now, I will be free. Because I can do well with English. When I go there, I can go to Canada. I can go to America. If I want to relocate, say, okay, let me leave this place. Let me go to Canada. Yeah, if I got a job in Canada, I can work there. Because Canada do speak English. If I go to London, yeah, United Kingdom, I can work there because they do speak English. If I go to America, yes, I can work there because they do speak English. Did you see it? Then you take a 5 years document. When you bring 5 years document all the way from Italy to Germany, you have no document. When you are in Germany law, that document is not Germany document. Good evening. It's not Germany document. You are not going to do anything with that document. They are not going to change that document for you. People you say, when you go there, Germany is going to change it. Germany is not going to change it for you. It's not possible. How can Germany change 5 years for you? Is it going to? It's not going to possible. That is what these people lack. But when you tell them, they don't believe. Then when I was telling these people, how can you just bring 5 years all the way from Italy, then you take it to Germany? What are you going to do with that 5 years in Germany? Nothing. You cannot get a job with it. They're not going to give you a job. And one, you don't hear German language. You don't hear Dutch. Then now you go to COP. And they take it there. At the end of the day, most of them, I don't get document. I don't have document. I don't have document. I don't have document. They begin to be bonbon. When I was on live video that I do advise most of them. Oh, they throw back at me. You will not get document. Now you the advice person. Shut up, enter house. You will not get document, and you the advice person. They are so naive. These people, novice. These people, they are novice. So these people, they are novice. Instead of them to tell you that I don't know this place that I am going, no, they will be dragging it with you. That is their problem. Novice. Novice. Somebody, do you know what is novice? They'll say this person is a novice in this community. A community where you have never been before. Anything that happens in that community, you don't know. When you get to that place, you become a novice. Then when you see somebody that will put you through what is happening in this place, what is going on in this place, that person is going to tell you, teach you everything. Then you go to listen to that person so that whenever you are doing things in that community, you will not make a mistake. But these people, they are novice. But when they see somebody that will tell them, put them in a right track, these people, they will be insulting you. Did you see these people? I always said that I cannot do anything with these people. When I say, people will say, why you they always talk like this? No, I cannot do something with them. One, they don't have listening ear. All they always do is fight. You can get quarrel with somebody. You can be angry. Your anger cannot last for. You cannot get angry with somebody just 7 days. That person will still dey your mind. That means you are not ready for life. Yes, you are not like me. Oh, I don't get anything. If I don't want to play with you, I don't want to play with you. That's me. If I don't want to play with you, I don't want to play with you. Then it don't make me say I put you from my mind. It's not going to possible. I can't get you in my mind. What am I doing with you in my mind? I don't have anything to do with you in my mind. It's like you occupy my mind. I cannot use irrelevant people to occupy my mind. Am I crazy when I have other things there to occupy my mind with? Be occupying my mind with irrelevant things. Those people that don't put things into your life. Only what they will give to you, they will reduce you. They will just reduce you. Those are the kind of people we have in this Edo Sabbath space. They don't know when to joke. They don't always time they fight. How can somebody that you call your friend today, you'll be fighting. Sometimes when I see them, sometimes I say, no. If I say no, I don't feel. They say, shut up. Where do you be? No, not who I be. Oh. Because I won't take myself so low. Because I don't already see on self side say on area to make seke. There is no way. When I see say where they go, say na dirty place. Then I have to return back. Then I don't have to come there. Because by the time I take myself there, at the end of the day, I'm going to be like you people. It drag you to the mold. You go to bath with the mold. You are the same. When another person is coming, say, what are you doing here? Why are you a mold for your body like this? The second person will say, now two of us, they bath for inside. But you know, we'll tell that person, say, now push you, come you with upon the follow and they fight. This is the kind of people they are. These people, the lack of wisdom, the lack of education, the lack of knowledge, the lack of everything. They don't have everything in them. All they have with them are finish. Look at this delinquent fool. He say, our ancestors, why did you leave us to lick bekus? Our ancestors, why did you leave us to lick bekus? Lick bekus is very sweet. You see the kind of bekus this guy is licking now. Maybe that woman is so dirty. That woman is so dirty. That woman can toilet. You don't have wiper to wipe in her nyash clean. You just they leak everything leakable because you just want to make irrelevant love. Irrelevant love, this one they make now. Can these people really make love? Now irrelevant love. Now these people they make. When you get this one pregnant, You get a woman pregnant doesn't mean that way we say. You feel that jack 1, 2, 3, you just release the woman. All get belly be that. You know me say you spend 1 hour and the woman till they get belly. Now somebody now put that one for her so. Somebody that will wear cloth when you wear go tighten. So take the cloth will come out, will come dey on top of chest. Cloth when person wear, you will come the cloth will come fold. You will come reach chest. Then never will come dey ground. I got to say, I thought this guy put on a shirt. Where is the shirt that you put on? You wear a shirt. Where is the shirt? The shirt don't fold by itself. These people. If I want to watch this kind of people, I'm going to watch them. When they see me, they go run come out. I bet they know they chase me. You cannot chase me because irrelevant people like this, I don't want to chase them. I don't feel use my head to touch their head because they are delinquents. They are fools. How can a man without no document getting women pregnant? And the women, can't you ask, oh boy, you get document? No. You get house? No. Then what you doing? Because government just give you hands. You think that you can do anything that pleases you, getting pregnant. Are you serious? And these women, they don't even use pill. You don't go to doctor. Go to doctor. Go and fix pill. Fix pill so that when they I me a man zose when mo say zose. When you say you get belly, then it's difficult for them. No, because they say some people got to say, hey, for the other days, people born now, people born different children for different men. That was then, not by this time again. That was then, because then those people, they don't know what is pill. They don't know what it be pill. No, it not day. It not day that time. Then this 21st century, you do what those people do then. In the days when there is no abortion, they don't do abortion. Don't they do abortion? Even when they grow up safe, then they do abortion. Then if you get belly, you go remove her. You go abort her. Yes, then. Because these people didn't go to school. That is why they didn't know that abortion do exist. Abortion do exist. At that time when they go to school that time, how many girls that they carry belly now, you go escort them, go flush the pikin out. Yes, you go flush the pikin out. Because they don't want to get pregnant like that. Like these people here in Europe now, they have no control. Nobody's controlling them. They have no shame on them. All they will do are they born. I born. They have children. Ask them, why are they having these children? Know that they are having these children for one man now. They are having these children for different men. And these different men, when they have these children for, they don't even know where they dey. They're born for Italy, they come out there. Born for France, they come out there. Born for Germany, they come out there. Born for different country. Where your papa? That time when I get this belly, I get them for Italy. This one, that one when I get them for Holland. Now they drive me come out for Holland. Okay, this one when I come Germany, now I get this one for Germany. And those men when give you the belly now, they see any of them. And those people now, when they hear say that they give children money, the men now they will come the zuzu. Only one want just single mother money. Only one want just single. Why can't you trust single fathers money? You don't know that there is people they have single father. This person Yvier, the man when Yvier born for, the man is a single father with 3 children. Then Yvier is a single mother without no children. No, what? My people, una they try. Yeah. The man Yvier have children for. The man is a single mother with a single father with his children. And Yvier will born the children. And Yvier is a single mother without no children. My people, it be like how come they live now. Now my no. May I go down, may I go carry my things. You don't buy and come, you don't drop them for there, sis. Eh? Do you see? Those are the men when these people they call men. Man without no house. Eyawa, I can all of them. If you see, my daughter say 50 men for Europe. 50 men for Europe from Edo State. My daughter say from Benin. From Benin. If you say we will count them now, few. My daughter say from Edo State, especially for Benin. We will just count them. 50 men. Now only 5 men get their own house. The man paper now, the man paper then the house. Out of 50 now 5. The remaining 45 men now women they follow stay for house. They don't pay house rent, they don't pay light bill, they don't pay water bill, they don't bring food money. How now they do it? They don't they bring and toilets and this one they use for toilets. Things when they use for body like body spray and shampoo, all those things. These people cannot afford it. You just tell these people, say, please, can you just go to this Aqua Champone, go and do shopping for Aqua Champone, go buy things. What you want go buy for Aqua Champone soap? You go buy what they take the wash house. You go buy soap when they take the bath. You go buy body spray. Only that one, just tell them, may go buy and say, just go there, may use 50 euro to buy, use 50 euro to buy. You cannot afford it. Those kind of it. Because why I'm saying it, when I go to Aqua Champone where they sell all those things, soap, you know, so if you reach there now, where they sell soap to clean house, now then still they sell soap to bath, you know. If I go sometimes, if I really say yes, I won't buy something for house, and they use 50 euro. When you carry almost 3 to 4 deodorants, 20 euro don't stand for there. Yes, those deodorants now 4 euro something, 5 euro something. Then after that one, you take McLean. You teach McLean when they use now, take now almost 4 euro now. 4 euro. Then if you take 3, you don't already get how much for there. Sometimes you feel see and buy. They say sometimes you see and buy like 6 euro. Sometimes you see and buy 8 euro. Plus that one, you don't see now. 30 euro don't come out. Before you come buy a shampoo when they take the wash hair, wash the one, buy the one they take the wash body. Not be one you go buy, because if I read that, I know they buy one. Because not be everything when I go, they go every day. If I don't read that, I'll use 50 euro to buy all those things. Then maybe before I go again, it can still take me like two months. You know? It can still take me like 2 months. Then that thing when it take you 2 months, so these men, they cannot afford it. Then what am I doing with a man that cannot take care of me? Then I mean, why can't they take care of the man? And they crazy. What can they take to? Or you bought food there. Or you will take you to shopping. And white people, they will take you to shopping. And they will shop that shopping. They will pay for it. They will bring you home. They will take the, when you come down from car, they will take the shopping along with you. If you can, I'll say, bring it, bring it, bring it. It will help you to take those shopping home. You see these people. I cannot go to shop or go to Africa shop. Somebody just call me, say I carry my put for us. Hello, I buy small stuff for me, buy 5. Later you say, buy 6. You say, wait, don't make them be 7. Who does that? Who does that? I not go fit. Come the African shop, come they send me drink, come buy small stuff for me. Buy. Oh, why can't they run that? I don't even know. As I did so, if I dare you say very long time, I don't even know small start. How it be for months. How even be safe. If I tell you I don't know the price of small starts now, somebody will ask me, say, lovely, you know they drink? No. For alcohol, no. I don't go there. Not that I forbid alcohol. It's not something that I do. I don't do with alcohol. Anything that will make me feel restless, I don't do it. Something that you will drink, you can't drink and finish, you're going to make ha 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 ha. No, I don't take it. I take something when they say if I drink and finish, I'm cool. That is what I take. Something that will make me not to normal. What am I doing with something that you will drink, you start fooling yourself? What am I doing with it? Something that will make you be restless? What am I doing with it? Something that will make me be talking nonsense talk? Am I crazy? Not that you don't drink. Or people do drink. They respect it when they drink. They respect themselves. There is some people, they don't respect themselves. You know, sometimes when I see most of these people, sometimes they say, lovely, come marry. When I look them, look the man when they marry. I can't take that for gift. How if you take her? Well, you don't have money. What am I doing with you? Nothing. You are just irrelevant man. What am I going to do with irrelevant man? If I tell you I need 400 euro, you cannot boss me 400 euro. You cannot boss me 500 euro. Then I don't wake up one morning saying, nah, mumu, when you don't get money, now they carry. What they use you do? I don't have anything to do with you. Can't carry you say you carry prick. I mean, go live there with your dairy prick. This men, when they talk, so make them near you, they don't get better perfume for body. They don't get better perfume. You near some men. Jojo and Manny, now made the use. Blue. Jojo and Manny. You see for some men. They pass you will hear the saint. What be all those on when they no fit buy bossas. These people they cannot buy bossas of 25 euro. They don't fit buy bossas of 25 euro. He has to work a bossas only 3 euro, 5 euro now that they buy. The bossas when they go where the bossas go come get the way when it be for their waist. You come make their nash small. When you see man with bossas, go wear bossas white complete. Wear pint. Man supposed to they wear pint because they cannot afford pint. Bossas cheap now. Now pants na idea pass. You go see man this thing and see me with pint. You go day inside together say they'll put 2 for here, put 2 for here. You know how much it be? They go tell you say 70 euros, 100 or something. Then when you see man, you go see man see white inner wear with white pint. Now little children of 10 years, 11 years, 12 years, 13 years, 14 years, 15 years, 16 years, 17 years, 18 years, 19 years. Now then they wear bossas. You cannot see white man, white young guy. He carry this thing. They wear bossas like 30-something years old man. You can't see and they wear bossas when pint they man get their pint. The pint go be like Nika. And I never see him. They get the one when short. They get the one when be like this thing and pint. They got another one when be like bossas, white one. If man wear and you go see and you go say wow. Not be all those ones. The one where they go wear shit go day. They carry man when they go wear pint go spend 3 days for their this thing our like between me our filame kwa. Just pour water for body. Pint when they fair wear towel body finish wear the pint back. The piece when they piece since when they enter the bossas. They'll come see how can a man wear bossas? Wear bossas for 2 times. Even my little boy, no, they wear bossas 2 times. Like, if my boy go school now, he come back for school. Say he go football, he come back. He go bath, put bossas. If he go school, come back. Say he want sleep, he want bath. He go put bossas. Well, not that one. He no go feel wear bossas when he wears his money. Now he go take sleep. No. When he bath, he must wear another one. Now my boy of 16 years, now they talk so. My boy go come wear bossas 2 days. Wear. You don't feel wear them. Once they bath, they change bossas. These people will wear bossas for 3 days. When you smell this smell bossas, their bossas go they smell peace. Here in your face, they will figure care like this, figure and figure care like this, shake their penis like this, pour and poof, chook and poof for inside their bossas when they wear. Then I lay your foe, they'll say they still figure they can put them for inside. They'll say they marry. Which can one marry all those one? Oyibo fool everywhere. If you need Oyibo, go and get one and forget this fucking lazy youth. Those lazy men when they don't get plan. Lazy men, I don't want to talk. Why get in bowa? I hear them for Goma say why they get the union say they go build house in case if person homeless people they go they put. Adebo when build na manager. Adebo mama dey orphanage house. Una never remove the thing when dey una eye. I will say how I will low. Una never remove the thing when dey una eye. Una want go remove other people eye dirty. Adebo don't spend years in Europe. The mama still dey orphanage house. How can a mother spend 2 decades and 3 years or 3 to 4 years? A decade contain 10 years. Another decade contain 10 years again. As 2 decades. Plus 3 years, be 4 years. That's 24 years in abroad. In mama, that man, God forbid. He go talk saying they sew cloth wear. Did you know that? English wear is expensive more than the native when they sew. How much for Accra? You buy Accra 5 years or 6 years. This one carry 3 days, so this one carry 3 days, so or you buy 12 years. How much for Accra one? 25 euro. 12 years. 12 years will be 50 euro. Or 12 years will be 60 euro. Now 30 euro for 6 years. 12 years will be 60 euro. 60 euro, 12 years. When you go to shop, hardly you go see jeans of 60 euro. You go know say that jeans of 60 euro when you want see. If you wear them before you go reach 3 months, you go pee for elegant for your for leg. You go pee. You go spoil. If you want to say you want buy jeans, you got to hold 180 go up. 180 go up. Or let's say you enter them, just when they sell 180. If you say they do 60%, if you pay how much? Sometimes 50%. If you pay half, if you pay 90 euro. You know what I'm saying? If you pay 90 euro, then you are talking of native. Native is a cheap article. Native, now that one are they so now cheap article than somebody use. I don't say some Tuesday when they say 250, 180, go up 160, 150. Now be G so. You really need G's, G's 100 euro, 150 go up. If you want really need G's, okay, you buy that G's now 150 or 180. Then you can't buy t-shirt put. Which if you want buy better t-shirt, from 80 euro go up. When you find t-shirt 60, 70, 80. That be t-shirt. Sometimes you see 50